everyone. Our topic is all about the process of sound production. Process of sound production. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students will able to determine the process of sound, identify the systems involved as a whole in production of sound. Speech does not start in the lungs. It starts in the brain, studied by psycholinguistics. According to Valentin Egoa E. Reverie, after the creation of the message and the lexical-grammatical structure in our mind, lexical-grammatical means a level of linguistic structure where lexis or vocabulary and grammar or syntax combine into one. At this level, words and grammatical structures are not seen as independent, but rather mutually dependent with one level interfacing with the other. We need a representation of the sound sequence and a number of commands which will be executed by our speech organs to produce the utterance. So, we need a phonetic plan and a motor plan. Phonetic plan. A plan for performing a phonetic behavioral act that can be perceived and comprehended by language users as the linguistic expression and question. Motor plan. The ability to conceptualize, prepare, and execute a skillful non-habitual motor activity from start to conclusion. After these mental operations, we come to the physical production of sounds. Speech then is produced by an airstream from the lungs which goes to the trachea and the oral and nasal cavities. These organs of speech can be divided into the following three groups. The next reporter, Ms. Ariane Soko, will explain the following three groups.
Good day everyone, I am Ariane Diacosta Soko and I'm going to discuss about the three systems involved in speech mechanism. Based on these groups, the systems involved in speech mechanism are divided into three, and these systems are involved as a whole in production of sounds. And those systems are the respiratory system, the phonatory system, and the articulatory system. The respiratory system is also called as the breath support. It includes the lungs, the windpipe, and the muscle of the chest. These organs does the function of providing the required air for sound production by breathing in and releasing it out. Next is the phonatory system. It includes the larynx and the vocal cords. The vocal cords contains larynx which plays a vital role in sound production. The larynx or the voice box is located on the neck and performs several important functions in the body. The larynx is involved in swallowing, breathing, and voice production. By the vibration of vocal cords, the wind is modified into sound. This can cause in production of both voiced and voiceless sounds. Last is the articulatory or the pulmonic system. It includes the nose, the tongue, the teeth, the roof of the mouth, and lips. The place and manner in which sounds are produced and categorized is decided by this articulatory system.
During the production of the different sounds, all the systems join together to produce sounds of the language.